Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the renewal date on your server, like your private server on Roblox. So if you select the game that you want to find out the date here, so going to select Dress to Impress, select this, select Join Friends here, and under your server, you're going to select the three dots, select Configure, and then you'll be able to see when the renewal date is. For mine, it's December 21, 2024 at 12:26 a.m. So tomorrow. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.